Hello everyone. In this video, we will learn how to duplicate a file in Google Drive. So, the duplicate files, they are the exact copy of the files that are already on your Google Drive. So, these are the steps we are going to follow for implementing this video. Now, let's get started. So, let's say I want to make a copy of this file. So, I will have to right click on this file. Then left click on make a copy. Now it is saying create a copy of TechSoup for you. Now you will see copy of TechSoup for you, and this is exactly the same as this file. So this is how you make a copy of a file in Google Drive. So now let's have a look at the summary. So in this video, we have covered how to duplicate a file in Google Drive. Thank you for watching.